Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have two very special guests with me, my sister and my sister-in-law. So today we're going to do Who Knows Me Better challenge. But if you're new to the channel, what is my profession? Share and subscribe. What do I do professionally? I think both of them should know it already. The answers.
Wait.
Both of you are done.
Yes.
So let's see what your answers are.
Interior designing.
Interior designing, but she tries to be jack of all. She wants to do many things along with that.
But what is my main profession? What have you written? I want to see. Yes, interior designing is correct. I'm an interior designer by profession. So, next question is, who is my favorite sports person? I think anybody who knows me knows this pretty well, that who is my favorite sports person. I'm a huge fan, like huge fan.
Die hard.
Yeah, so let's see what the answer is.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah, this is easy to guess. So, okay, this is a little tough. It keeps actually kind of changing, so let's see. What is my favorite color? I'm pretty sure both of them are going to get it wrong, so let's see. Don't look here and there.
I don't know.
What do you think is my favorite color?
Done.
Yes.
Lavender or purple?
Red.
Of course, it's of course not red, guys. Not even lavender. My favorite color is white.
That is now.
Yeah, but it keeps changing. It's between white, black, and grey. Not red at any cost, and not even lavender. Lavender, there was a time.
Equally.
Yeah.
Okay. Which is my favorite season? Very easy to guess. But I'm damn sure both of them are confused which is my favorite season.
Earth ka season.
Of course,
Yeah.
Arka
Summer,
season.
winter, spring.
Yeah, from summer, winter. No,
Then.
it's autumn.
हम यहाँ पे autumn लिखा है ऐसे. You know, I legit wrote it.
Which is my favorite food item? And if both of you don't know this, they keep teasing me about this, so if they don't know this, let's see what we're gonna do with them.
Cooked or raw?
Anything.
No, it is important, right? Cooked or raw?
I don't know if it's cooked or not, or if it's raw.
Oh, it is your favorite food.
Yeah, food item.
Food item, it's an item. So
Yeah.
item, घर वाला item की actual item in terms of English.
Anything. Whatever suits you.
I really hate, if what I wrote, I hate that thing.
You written?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Cheeseburst pizza. Margarita to be
French fries and
exact.
She's right, it's French fries and DBC. DBC is Dead by Chocolate, my favorite ice cream, and French fries. Two things I cannot resist. So you are 1 point behind right now.
Not a problem.
My favorite makeup product. Which is my favorite I don't use a lot of makeup, guys, so I don't know if they know this.
Product as in
Like eyeliner or lipstick, any one thing.
Yeah. Favorite makeup product. Like one product I already like fast. It's very easy. I use only 2 products, lipstick and eyeliner, so one of them. Or might be not. I don't want to give them a hint.
Done.
Okay, what have you written?
I've written 3.
No, you have to tell one. I said one.
Kajal.
I have written eyeshadow.
No, both of them are wrong. My favorite product is eyeliner.
I've
One
written
thing.
eyeliner.
No,
I've
don't.
written eyeliner.
But you have done Kajal. You can't write 3 products. These are the 3 products I use and I have written all 3. Okay, so next question. Favorite clothing item?
Eh?
What's my favorite clothing item?
It could be anything.
Yeah, so what is it?
I don't know.
I believe I know this.
I think both of you should know this.
Okay.
What have you
answer?
written?
Kurta.
Night shoot or beggar clothes. The clothes which she is very comfortable in.
I mean the pajama types.
Yeah. So she's definitely wrong. I like because clothing I like good and comfy, which I don't wear at home. Okay, what is my dream holiday destination?
Huh.
I bet both of them are wrong. I've been talking about one place recently and they think it's that, but it's not that, guys. Clearly, both of them don't know me. I should have got somebody else to do this.
Is it not Bahamas?
I don't know.
It's definitely not Bahamas. Is it somewhere in the States?
I don't know.
I don't think she is the person who is willing to go to States for like dream destination.
You never know, I can. See, we have 10 more, 5
No,
more.
Bahamas
how
ke
many
alawa I
more
don't know any
questions.
place ka name. I can't figure out anything.
Okay,
on
there are many
Maldives.
more
If it is Maldives, then you're just act. I'll go for this. Yeah.
These guys are taking too much time.
Oh,
Especially this
what?
girl. She is
You're
written.
done. You're done already.
Yeah.
What have you written?
Bahamas.
What have you written?
I've written Bali or Hawaii.
Both of them think no. Guys, it's not. It's Switzerland. I want to go to Switzerland for a really long time.
That was my dream place.
So, it can't be same. Mine is actually kind of Europe. I want to go to London and Switzerland for such a really long time. But I'm not being there now. So, this or that? Skirt or jeans? These are very tricky. These two know. They think they know me really well, but it's very tricky. So, skirt or jeans?
Skirt.
Jeans.
Skirt is right. Okay, now both of them are equal. Let's see next. Okay. Do I like my hair colored or not colored?
I'm failing.
Colored or not colored? This is very easy,
Okay,
guys.
it's not colored.
Yeah, it's correct. Both of them are correct. You can't say your answer so loud, okay?
I
Okay.
can.
Pajama or tracks?
I don't know the same.
No, tracks isn't like that jogger pants and all that. And pajamas are like the loose ones. Okay, now both of them probably know the answer because of the previous question. So again, both of them are equal.
What have you written?
Pajama.
Pajama.
Shoes or heels? Very tricky. Very, very tricky.
I know this.
What have you written?
Sneakers. Shoes.
Shoes.
Both of them are correct, guys. I'm a very shoe person. I don't like wearing heels. Beach or mountain? Now they think they know my favorite destination. They think they know this answer also, but I'm pretty sure they'll get it wrong. Both of them are cheating, guys. What have you written?
What did I do?
Yeah, what did I do? I'm
What-
covering my answer from you only.
What have you written? What have you written?
Mountains.
Beach is correct, guys. I love beaches.
I
love
really want to know why does she wants to go to Switzerland on a rough scale.
It's my dream
It's all
destination.
about
It does not
snow
mean
and
that.
mountains.
Yeah, so it's my dream destination, but it does not mean that I don't like beaches. I love beaches. So she's correct. 1 point to her.
It's dumb.
Okay, this both of them should know, but I don't think they should get confused in this. But let's see. Which year was it?
98.
Correct. Both of them are correct. Okay, which is my favorite web series?
There are so many.
No, there are not so many. There's just one.
And I know that one.
A favorite web
And I
series.
know.
I got to that series. I'm hooked up to it. So I think. What have you written?
The Good Doctor.
The Good Doctor.
Correct. I'm a very huge Good Doctor fan. Okay, what's my favorite singer? Favorite singer. I'm damn sure both of them are gonna get
I
this
don't
wrong.
know. I have no idea.
I don't know singer's name, come on. Even if I know that, okay, this particular song and this particular singer.
You can write the song if you think if you think that is by
Is
that
she Hollywood
singer.
or
Don't
Bollywood?
write thoda thoda pyar.
Is she Hollywood or is she Bollywood? She.
It can be. I think she has sung in both, or he has sung in both. I think so.
Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra is a singer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was something very new to me.
No, it's not Priyanka Chopra. Okay, it's Bollywood.
Is it he or she?
Too many questions.
Probably it's Shreya. I hardly
Shreya
know
Ghoshal.
5 names. Yeah, Shreya Ghoshal, Neha Kakkar, Sunidhi Chauhan.
Answer.
And these are the names I know. I don't know anybody else. Oh, I think I know. I think I'll go with him.
Written? Mine.
Okay, tell which. Just
I
guess.
have no idea. I feel it could be Shreya Ghoshal.
I think Sanam.
No, guys, Jasmine Royale.
Who?
Jasmine Royale.
I don't know.
I don't know either. I'm sorry.
The person who has sung the song.
Which song?
The famous Din Shagnada.
Wasn't that a girl?
Jasmine Royale. We have fought a lot about it. I don't think she knows, but we have like really fought.
And she's
Yeah.
deeply into it. She's watched it like 6-7 times. Serial ever, like Indian drama serial legend.
Yeah, I have. And also, this is the last question, guys, and she is leading. So this is, if it's a draw, we have to do one tiebreaker.
Ready?
Yeah.
कुछ रंग प्यार के.
Mahabharat.
Here she means, yeah, I watch a lot of Mahabharat. I love Mahabharat.
Yeah, just today we fought about it.
Yeah, that's why she probably remembers it.
No, I
So-
remembers it because that is the whole thing she keeps talking about.
So it's again equal. So which is my favorite? Non-alka.
Oh, ginger ale तो नहीं है. I think, I believe, non-alcoholic, it's some...
Mojito.
No, it's soda. Basically, soda as in Coke, Thumbs Up, all such things. Beverated drinks. Aerated drinks, sorry.
Yeah, she's correct.
Ginger ale also can come.
Yeah,
under
it's
it.
but my
But
favorite
in
thing.
specific is Coke.
But my favorite thing is Thumbs Up.
That I knew.
But you didn't write.
Don't forget
That's
to
the whole point. Like, share and subscribe.
Bye.